Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. And we're showing you things that are coming in and out of the shop that we've restored. Please go to our website, mumfordrestoration.com, and find out what you can have restored. Here we have metal signs. A lot of folks don't realize that we restore metal signs. This one has been really damaged and scraped. It looks like it fell off of something and scraped and removed some of the finish. So we're going to be doing some repainting and then new clear. And we often get ones that are totally rusty. You can see that the condition of this sign is not very rusty. It has some rust to be treated, but not a lot. Often we get signs that are in really bad condition, and we can bring them back to life. We can even completely repaint them. So please visit our site, and thanks for watching.